Catch. You can fight. This one.
Put up pa.
Put up Pinosi, okay? Put up Pinosi. Go. Kill this guy. Put up Pinosi, okay? Put up Pinosi. Full brawl.
Yung healers nila south floating, no defensive.
Spots. I have Judy in the
Healer
middle.
nila was no defensive.
Judy in the middle, okay? Just spots. I will stun now. Keep rolling. Nice. Keep rolling. Look at the healers. Help me grow.
Yung blight. No defensive yung blight.
Look west, guys. Look west. The healers are on north.
Light on me, guys. Katabi mo floaty ah.
Okay. Focus on the west. The skull. Spots. Potion. Nice kill.
Pailo ka.
Heal west, heal north.
Pailo ka.
You need to heal. Heal.
The healer.
Keep healing. Yeah, I'm gonna drop Judy in the middle, okay? On the crown. Help Zoglas. Keep rolling. Look at the skull. Kill the skull. Nice kill. Keep rolling. Southeast healers. Okay, bro lang. Keep healing. Heal palikpek. Nice kill. Keep rolling. Help Lucky. Help Lucky Chan on east. Help Lucky Chan south. May healer pa, Ken Mago. Hilas.
Ang sakit ng light crossbow, boy.
Tagal nyo patin. Yo, go. We win
this.
Yun yung pumapatay sa atin, hindi masustain.
West, where are you, Kenma? Go west, Kenma. So, Judy west.
Healer on me.
Heal. Kill Kiki. Nice shield.
On the way ulit.
They're running. Keep rolling.
Beam.
The healer. Nice. Yung healer sa southwest, last.
Kailangan talaga ng support.
Panalo. Hindi siya na yung slow.